Welcome to our channel. This is a dedicated space for anyone who loves nature, gardening, and peaceful, relaxing landscapes. Here, we bring you immersive videos featuring a wide variety of garden styles, from vibrant flower gardens, lush herb gardens, tranquil Japanese gardens, to serene rooftop sanctuaries above the cityscape. Each video takes you on a journey into a unique space where nature is celebrated through calming visuals and sounds. Our channel offers a peaceful retreat to unwind from the hustle and bustle of daily life. We carefully blend high-quality footage with soothing natural sounds, like birdsong, gentle rain, or soft, relaxing music, to create a perfect ambience for relaxation, meditation, and stress relief.
I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A guide to designing a lush indoor garden within a small space is provided. You'll be shown how to choose the right plants, create a beautiful layout, and incorporate stylish elements that will transform your home into a green oasis. Hook. Imagine bringing the tranquility of nature indoors. Showcase a stunning indoor garden in a small space. Introduce the video's purpose. Design an inviting, thriving indoor garden even if you have limited space. Low-light tolerant options for a small space. Highlight plant varieties suitable for indoor environments. Showcase a variety of foliage plants, herbs, or flowering plants. Explore different container options, including vertical gardens. Demonstrate different container arrangements, tiered stands, hanging planters. Utilize visual interest with different plant textures and colors. Incorporate natural elements for a harmonious look. Showcase stylish pots, planters, and decor. Use lighting to enhance the beauty of the plants. Essential care practices for healthy growth, watering techniques and proper soil selection. Encourage viewers to ask questions in the comments. A spacious, modern bathroom with a strong connection to nature. Hyperrealistic rendering. Concrete walls with a warm taupe color, punctuated by vibrant green plants. A large vertical living wall of various plants fills one section. A large, freestanding white bathtub sits in front of the living wall, and there is a pair of oval sinks in a light wood vanity. The floor is light brown hardwood. A gray rug is centered in the room near the bathtub. Glass shower enclosure with a modern rain shower head. Plenty of natural light streams in through full-length glass doors, revealing a lush tropical garden outside. A modern, spacious indoor-outdoor living area. A large, tan leather couch sits in the center of a room with a light gray area rug on a medium brown wooden floor. A stylish black coffee table sits in front of the couch. A wall-mounted vertical garden, filled with lush green plants in various planters and containers, dominates one wall of the space. The wall is dark gray or charcoal, creating a striking contrast with the vibrant greenery. The kitchen, with wooden cabinets and light wood tones, is visible through the space. Large windows provide plenty of natural light and allow for a view of a garden outside. A spacious, indoor-outdoor living area, hyperrealistic in style, featuring a concrete structure with a wooden ceiling. A large, lush vertical garden wall of various tropical plants, like ferns, monsteras, and other greenery, creates a vibrant backdrop. Warm, natural tones dominate, the concrete is a muted gray, the wood is a rich brown, and the orange-toned furniture adds a pop of color. A dining table with light-colored wooden chairs is situated in the open-plan area. An orange sectional couch with a matching ottoman is centered, positioned to face a sleek, dark gray kitchen area with black appliances and a minimalist aesthetic. A spacious, modern living room, filled with lush greenery. A vibrant orange rust-colored sectional sofa dominates the foreground, featuring a rich, deep texture. The walls are a warm, burnt orange, with a large, living wall of various green plants covering a section of the wall. Multiple shelves are filled with more potted plants, creating a verdant, jungle-like feel. The setting suggests a modern, loft-style apartment or house, with large sliding glass doors that open to an outdoor space, filled with more foliage. The kitchen, visible through the room, has gray concrete look cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. A modern, cozy, and vibrant interior garden space, perhaps a remodeled van or tiny house. Detailed wall-mounted herb and flower gardens in dark gray planters cascade down a light wooden wall. A comfortable gray sectional sofa with throw pillows sits in the middle of the room, facing a large window. A variety of colorful flowers, bright oranges, yellows, reds, and different shades of greens are arranged in planters and boxes, both on the walls and along the furniture, creating a dense, flourishing garden aesthetic. The floor is a warm, reddish-brown wood. A lush, tropical garden patio space integrated seamlessly with a contemporary concrete home. Mid-afternoon light filters through the dense foliage, casting warm, dappled shadows on the stone pathways and the abundance of exotic plants. Hyperrealistic rendering, showcasing the rich greens, browns, and golds of the natural elements. Large leaves of tropical plants like ferns, alocasia, and bird of paradise, create a dense, verdant atmosphere. Stone pathways, including large, flat paving stones and small pebbles, wind through the garden, leading up to a wooden deck that serves as an outdoor living area. A spacious, modern open-plan living area seamlessly integrated with a lush outdoor garden. Massive concrete walls with a textured, speckled gray-brown finish create a backdrop for a variety of tropical plants and greenery that cascade down into a garden and patio areas within the home. A light-toned hardwood floor flows through the space, connecting the indoor and outdoor living zones. Large glass doors and windows offer stunning views of the verdant garden, creating a continuous sense of space and light. A light gray, sectional style sofa with various cushions sits in the center of the home, and an area for dining is just beyond. A modern living room with a large living wall of lush greenery. Mid-century modern aesthetic, hyperrealistic style. The wall-mounted living wall features a variety of green plants, moss, and orange/yellow flowers, arranged in a textured, layered design. The concrete walls are a dark gray with wooden paneling along one side. A large, sectional sofa in a slate gray fabric is positioned in front of the living wall. Orange throw pillows are on the sofa. The room is filled with various potted plants, including large leafy plants and palm trees. A sprawling, meticulously detailed, hyperrealistic interior-exterior space. A modern Japanese Zen garden seamlessly transitions indoors. Large sliding glass doors open to a lush, well-maintained garden with water features, various sized rocks, and mature bonsai trees. The indoor space features light-toned wooden beams, concrete walls with exposed aggregate, and a long wooden bench seating area. A large flat-screen TV is mounted on the wall just inside. The overall color palette is calm and natural: greens, browns, grays, and beiges. A spacious, modern living room with a large wall covered in a vibrant vertical garden. Hyperrealistic rendering. Concrete walls in a dark gray tone, accented with warm, golden-orange ambient lighting highlighting the lush greenery. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a verdant garden outside. A comfortable, gray, modular sectional sofa with muted orange throw pillows sits in front of the living wall. Round coffee table with a light beige top.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.